Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to solve an interesting problem that I encountered while analyzing my data for England's local authority districts. So there are probably 150 observations. I mean, named lists of local authority districts. However, when analyzing the data, I found that in my data set, there are more than 200 observations in local district authorities, so which is causing troubles in my data analysis. Now I want to remove the repeated or duplicate observations for my ID variable, which is local district authority. Now I'm going to show you the list of those that was given by one of the GIS softwares. So now I'm going to show you how they're duplicate in my CSV file. Okay, and find all. So West Sussex comes 7 times. Okay, so there are 6 other duplicate observations, but we just want one observation on West Sussex, right? So we're going to remove the rest of the West Sussex from my variable, and for this I'm going to work on STATA. Okay, so I have already loaded the data set with the CSV. I'm doing it again. Open, and this is my file, which is CSV file. Click OK. Yes. And then first I'm going to detect if I have duplicate observations. So I have already put the command in my do file. So write duplicates and then report in the name of the variables and comma and list. So execute this selection, and what happens is that it gives me a list of the observations that are duplicate in the specific variable. So I specified the name of the variables because this is where I want to remove duplicate observations from. Now what I want to do, I want to remove these observations from my data set while keeping the first one. So this will do it for me. So duplicate and drop, and then specify the variable name, which is the ID variable in my case, and then comma and force. Now run it. Okay. So yeah, 114 observations deleted. Now I have here, you can see the total observation is 267. Okay, so now here you can see 152. So we have basically deleted all the duplicate observations from here. Yeah, so this is how your task is made easier in STATA. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section.